Imagine a medicine that once took a decade to invent, now sketched by a machine in a single afternoon. That future isn't coming. It's already here. Today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence is rewriting drug discovery, turning one of science's slowest, most expensive gambles into something faster than anyone imagined possible. Traditionally, developing a single drug takes 10 to 15 years and billions of dollars. Scientists test millions of molecules, and almost all of them fail. It's like searching for one working key inside an ocean of trillions. Human chemists simply can't explore that space fast enough on their own. That's where machine learning changes everything. Instead of guessing blindly, algorithms learn the hidden rules of chemistry and biology from mountains of existing data. These models predict how a molecule will behave, whether it binds to a target, and if it might heal a patient before it's ever synthesized. Take Google DeepMind's AlphaFold, which cracked a 50-year mystery by predicting protein shapes almost instantly. Suddenly, researchers could see their targets in stunning detail. That spin-off, Isomorphic Labs, recently raised over $2 billion to design medicines directly from those predictions. Investors clearly believe this approach is the future, but the real jaw-dropper comes from a company called Insilico Medicine, whose AI didn't just design a drug, it discovered the disease target too. Their system analyzed biological data, proposed a brand new target for lung fibrosis, then generated a matching molecule, work that once took chemists years of painstaking effort. That drug, rentasertib, reached human trials, and in 2025 its early results were published in Nature Medicine, showing patients' lung function actually improving. Remarkable, right? So how does the AI actually design something new? It uses a technique called generative chemistry, imagining molecules that have never existed anywhere on Earth. Think of it like an artist trained on chemistry itself, sketching countless candidate compounds, then scoring each one for safety, strength, and how well it works. The system refines its ideas over and over, learning from every attempt, much like you improving at a video game with each round you play. Some labs now run entirely on their own. Robotic arms mix chemicals around the clock, while AI analyzes results and decides the very next experiment. These self-driving laboratories never sleep, compressing months of trial and error into days by testing, learning, and adjusting continuously without waiting for human hands. Now, before you imagine robots curing everything tomorrow, let's stay honest. Designing a molecule quickly is only the very first step of a long journey. Human trials still take years, and about 9 of every 10 candidates fail. So far, no fully AI-designed drug has earned final regulatory approval. Still, over 170 AI-born drugs are already being tested in people worldwide, with billions of dollars pouring into this fast-growing field. The promise is enormous. Faster discovery could mean cheaper treatments, cures for rare diseases, and rapid responses when the next dangerous pandemic suddenly strikes humanity. Imagine designing a vaccine in weeks instead of years, or crafting a personalized therapy shaped precisely around your own unique genetic code. That world is approaching. We're witnessing medicine and machine intelligence merge into something powerful, where the boundary between biology and computer code grows blurrier with every single passing year. So, here's my question for you. Would you trust a life-saving medicine designed by artificial intelligence? Tell me in the comments. I'm honestly curious to hear. If this blew your mind, subscribe and hit the bell, because the future of science is unfolding faster than ever. See you in the next one.